Highly recommended for travelers in Lyon. Very high value for money as it includes an 1-hour guided tour and 1-hour river cruise. It's value for money. You can travel in the city by public transportation and visit many attractions. Unfortunately, there was problem when I redeemed the card. The officer could not find my booking in the system and it took almost 1 hour until I got the card. The card itself is very helpful because it gives you the ability to ride their buses, subways and trams for free. It also gives discounts to some museums and free access to others. My main concern is that it can only be redeemed in Belcourt station, which is in the middle of Lyon. Which means you would have to find your way first to get there, pay for that ride and figure out how to get there. If there are more redemption places in the key areas without going to one place, that would be good. Some of the sites, however, are free even without the card. If you are planning to go to museums in different parts of Lyon, this can help. If mostly for the architecture, maybe the usual city ticket is the one for you. The usage is very in line with Asian habits. You can visit museums in Lyon and take public transportation for free. It is recommended to buy it when you come to Lyon. The ticket collection location is at the visitor center next to Belcourt Square. You need to draw a number plate. The service staff is much friendlier than in Paris. Got it. Worthwhile to get Lyon City card as it includes guided tour, boat tour, museum entrance and public transportation. We collected the card from tourism office and the officers are helpful and friendly. She helped us to book the free tour and assist us to plan the visit and advise us the itinerary and book for other special tour. We have a great time in Lyon. It is very convenient to pick up and use. Please note that the route location provided on Google is incorrect. You can also use local shared bicycles. Even if you live far away, you can use bicycles to shorten your arrival time. Convenient, all-access pass saves time and money. Unlimited rides on public transport, plus discounts at top attractions. A must-have for exploring the city. We collected the cards at Lyon Visitor Center. However, you can collect it at other places, including Westfield Park U Shopping Mall as well. Good value. I received more in value than the cost of the card. The city card is too expensive. Transportation in the center of Lyon is convenient and you can pay with a credit card directly on the bus, so the transportation card is not worth it.